Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Buds, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset this watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the app, you can tap on devices icon and select your Huawei Watch Buds from the list of devices. Here, scroll down, find the Restore Factory Settings option and tap on it, then tap on Restore to confirm. The watch will disappear from the list of devices in the app. You can close the app now, and it should start resetting itself after a couple of seconds. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.